Redlands traffic, Cessna 54844 is over the 10, a beam Crafton at 3,400 inbound. Redlands. I don't see this guy. Those start doors are sent. We're about 3,000 now, traffic pattern altitude for, oh, I see the guy. Anyhow, pattern altitude for San Bernardino is about 2,000. So, here I'm going to go ahead and call the tower. So you want to anticipate what the tower is going to tell you. He's going to probably tell me make right traffic for 6, because that's the runway they're using. And he'll probably tell me to report a beam the tower on downwind. That's typical, so we'll see. He may tell me to go ahead and turn west. There's an airplane there. I don't know that he's in the pattern for. San Bernardino Tower, Cessna 54844.
Cessna 54844, San Bernardino Tower.
Roger, I'm currently over the University of Redlands inbound for landing, and I have Victor 844.
Cessna 844, Tower, roger. Enter a right downwind for runway 6, report right base.
Right downwind for runway 6, report right base 844.
San Bernardino Tower, Cherokee 7085, Romeo over the Rialto, heading in for the full stop with your formation, Victor.
Cherokee 7085, Romeo, San Bernardino Tower, report 3 miles northwest for runway 6.
Report 3 miles northwest, runway 685 Romeo. San Bernardino Tower, Mercier 22.
Mercier 22, San Bernardino Tower.
Mercier 22, we're about 10 to the east for westbound to Arrowhead Hospital. We're currently at 4,800 feet.
Mercier 22 Tower, transition approved. San Bernardino altimeter is 3002.
3002, Mercier 22, thank you.
Okay, so we're on the downwind for San Bernardino, runway 6. And he wants us to report when we get right base for runway 6. So we'll do that. Up a little bit here. There's a plane orbiting there. He was about my altitude, and I didn't hear him talking to the tower.
Marshall 22. Would you like me to transition south side or north side of the airport?
Transition the south side until probably the 2:15.
Marshall 22, Roger, south side.
Just follow the 10.
Okay, copy, Marshall 22.
Anyhow, that guy was
San Bernardino Tower, Cherokee
right in the pattern
7085
altitude.
Romeo, 3 miles northwest, San Bernardino Tower, 85 Romeo.
I didn't hear him talking to the tower.
Cherokee 85 Romeo Tower, Roger. Execute a right 360 for spacing.
Executing the right 360, 85 Romeo.
Cessna 844 Tower, runway 6, clear to land.
844 cleared to land, runway 6. Like clearance for the option, please.
Cherokee 844 Tower, Roger. Runway 6, clear for the option.
Cleared for the option, runway 6, 844. Okay, we're going to do a touch
Cherokee
and go
85 Romeo Tower, report inbound.
Forward for inbound, sir.
Well, he gave us the okay for a touch and go. Well, he gave us clearance for the option, so I'm going to do a touch and go, and I'm going to go back to Redlands. Get some more flaps here. We got 20 degrees. Need to lose some altitude. Trim it. Okay, so we're going to turn our final now.
Cherokee 85 Romeo Tower, you're in sight. Runway 6, clear to land.
Runway 6, clear to land. 85 Romeo.
Big runway here. This is the old Norton Air Force Base. I never took off commercially, though. I guess Norton left here in about 10 years ago. Something like that. So we're going to go ahead and give it full flaps here. And we're going to get down here a little bit. Trim it.
Mercy Air 22 Tower, traffic is a Cherokee entering a left base for runway 6.
Mercy Air 22, Roger.
Bounce and clean it up, and we're going.
Mercy Air 22, the Cherokee traffic's off to your right, approximately a mile, a little bit higher.
Mercy Air 22, Roger, looking.
Cherokee 85 Romeo Tower, traffic is a Mercy Air helicopter just south of the warehouses, transitioning to Arrowhead.
Looking for traffic, 85 Romeo.
Tower 844.
Cessna 844 Tower, go ahead.
I got straight out departure heading towards Redlands, and frequency change, please.
Cessna 844 Tower, frequency change approved.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your help, 844.